What's up guys, Super Geek here. Google have announced the Pixel 6 series a few days back, and as expected, Google finally using a new processor in upcoming Pixel smartphones. Tensor is the new processor which Google is going to ship in Pixel 6 series smartphones this year, and Google didn't reveal anything about the new SoC except the name itself. According to Google, Tensor is an in-house SoC, which means it's made by Google, but a few recent leaks and rumors says otherwise. So we recently got this rumor that Tensor SoC may have been made by Samsung, or it could be that Samsung helped Google make its processor in their silicon factories. It's not like Google cannot build their own silicon facilities and start fabricating their own chips, but looking at Google's hardware history, Google believes in overtaking or taking help from any established brand to make their own products. Like what they did with the Pixel 3, which was made by HTC, which is already a smartphone brand selling smartphones for so many years. Now back to the Tensor SoC. So allegedly the Tensor SoC goes by Exynos 9855, which is closely relates to Exynos 9840, which is also known as Exynos 2100, which can be found in Galaxy S21 series smartphones. Well, this is not going to be the first time Google taking help from Samsung. Remember the first Nexus smartphone? It was made by Samsung, and who knows, the Pixel 6 series smartphones are made by Samsung too. We cannot just strike out the possibility completely. If this Google Tensor and Samsung relation is true, then there might be a chance that this Tensor SoC will feature the RDNA2 architecture based GPU, which is going to be a really big deal. If you don't know, this RDNA2 architecture from AMD aims to bring desktop-like graphics performance to smartphones, including ray tracing, which is a really big deal. Well, our expectation from Tensor processor is that it could come with ARM Cortex X1 core, which is a performance core, and it may come with some overclocking paired with Cortex A78 and A55 cores to make a balance between performance and power efficiency. So what do you guys think about the Tensor processor from Google? Are you excited? Tell me in the comments. And that's it for now guys. Hope you liked the video. Hit the like button, get subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one.